How to fix comic.io, an error has occurred. Hello friends, you might be experiencing an error has occurred pop-ups on comic.io. You might not be able to log into the site or access the entire site due to this issue. The problem appears on either of your computer and phone. Actually, a maintenance period is running for the site. The experts team is working on updates. So you will have to wait for it until the server becomes normal. You can check Reddit page of the site. It seems there is a maintenance break. There is an update to the server, so the app didn't work. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.